The Honor 600 series has officially landed and Malaysia is among the first to get its hands on it. But is this just another mid-rangers or something more? Let's dive into my quick reviews of the Honor 600 Pro. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the design. Some calling it a poor man iPhone, a total copy-paste job, and honestly, they are not totally wrong. The inspiration here is, well, very obvious. But putting the aesthetic aside, the build quality is actually fantastic. We are talking a matte glass back, a matte metal mid-frames, and a truly premium feel in the hand. Plus, it's surprisingly tough. This is the first N series to pack IP69K water and dust resistant, and it's got the same 5-star drop resistance we have seen on the Magic and X series. It's built like a tank. Moving to the front, we have got a 6.57-inch display. It's a bit smaller than the 0400 Pro, sitting right in that Goldilocks zone, not too big, not too small. But check out these bezels. They are under 1mm thick and perfectly symmetrical. There are no flagship out there, come close. For the OCD inclined viewers out there, this gonna be your favorite screen of the year. It's a 120Hz panel that peaks at about 8000 nits, making it one of the brightest screens on any phone, period. Under the hood, Honor isn't playing around. It running the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, so whether you are doing heavy AI tasks or high-intensive gaming, this thing just fly. Now, let's talk cameras. You are getting a 200MP main sensor with CPAS 6.0 stabilization, a 50MP telephotos with 3.5x optical zoom, and an even steadier 6.5 CPAS stabilization rating. And it can zoom up to 120 times if that's what you want to know. A 12MP ultra-wide that doubles as a macro lens, and a 50MP fixed focus front selfie camera. Coming from the Honor Magic 8 Pro, I honestly didn't see much of a drop off. The results are honestly good, and I would say close or maybe on par. The only complaint is the missing capacitive shutter button. Hence, there's no 2-stage shutter pressing, but oddly enough, it's available on the Honor 600 Lite. As for the AI Image to Video 2.0, you can check out my other videos where I go deeper into what it does and how powerful it can be by clicking the link above here. Here's the most impressive part. Despite being only 7.9mm thin and 200g weight, they somehow managed to cram a 7000 mAh battery inside using silicon carbon tech. That's 2 full days of heavy use. When you do need to top up, you have got an 80W wired and 50W wireless Super Honor fast charge. It even supports 27W reverse charging, so you can essentially use this phone as a fast charging power bank. Software-wise, it's running Magic OS 10 on top of Android 16, packed with all the latest AI suite features. The Honor 600 Pro might be marketed as an upper mid-range, but it's closing the gap with the flagship out there. So it's basically can claim as an accessible flagship. I'll leave the latest pricing and promotion in the description box below. What do you think about the Honor 600 Pro? Is the design a deal breaker or do the specs made up for it? Let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.